Hi, this is Tamiya Ninja. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to have a short and quick review or the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive model 18024. The Winning Bird. This kit was released by Tamiya on April 3, 1990. It is the second Mini 4-wheel drive car from the Dream Attack project started by Tamiya and Shogakukan. Its body is upgraded design from Rising Bird model. Unlike its predecessor, which is the Rising Sun, the Winning Bird has a more blocky body design. It also lost the rear wings, harboring a pair of fins in its place which compensates for the lack of a spoiler. The low-height, flat design was inspired by Formula One car body designs as well as a jet fighter's sharp design. While the box art depicts the Winning Bird equipped with the standard rollers, the actual assembled mini car can be equipped with the larger rollers as seen in the manga, depending on user's preference. White medium-diameter 4-spoke hotshot type wheels paired with the red spike tires. Unlike the Rising Bird, the Winning Bird's chassis frame and parts were now molded in black. Let's check the internals. The gear is composed of 5:1 and 6.4:1. With single shaft stock motor and Type 3 standard shafts. Its sticker decals are dominated by silver with blue highlights and black and red trims. Guide and manuals are also available. The Winning Bird is one of the famous Tamiya nowadays. Maybe because the polycarbonate released by Tamiya is one of the commonly used in speed tech race. This Tamiya kit is commonly kept by collector. It's kinda rare at this time. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to click like, subscribe button and also click the bell for notifications. If you guys have any questions, suggestions and comment, you are all welcome to message me. Enjoy watching. Thank you so much. Goodbye.